Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP Color LaserJet Pro M154a printer driver in a Windows 11 operating system by the simplest way. When we go to install this printer on our Windows 11 operating system, one error is occur and we are going to solve this error by the simplest way. So watch this video till end. So let's go to our video. First of all, just go to the Anyway browser. And here just type HP Color LaserJet Pro M154a printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. The first link is from the support.hp.com. It is an official website of the HP printer. Open that website. Okay. Here is our website and one problem. Problem is this website is not supporting Windows 11. But don't worry, Windows 10 driver also support our Windows 11 printer driver. Okay, so don't worry about that and just go to the first link, just click it here and it's redirect to another page, and in few seconds our download is started, and depending on the speed of your internet it take few seconds or few minutes. So be patient and wait for a few seconds or few minutes. Now our download is completed. Just click on the show all, just go to show in a folder, drag this file to desktop, close this. Basically, this file is a zip file and we are going to extract this zip file. Okay, right click on it, show more options, and we just go to the extract files and click on the OK. Now just go to the here and double click on it, and here we find our all driver and we are going to install this driver manually, and we got one error and we solved this error also. So watch this. Okay, first of all, just go to the start and type control panel, click on the control panel. Okay, in control panel, just go to the devices and printers, just go to the devices and printers. In devices and printers, just go to the add a printer. At the top we find add a printer. Okay, minimize this, just go to the here, the printer that I want isn't listed, just select that. Just select the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings, select that, just click on the next. Here is the most IMP part, port, just select HP port .4 _ 001 HP printer device, just select that port, or just select any USB port, USB 001, 002, 003, 004, any port that you like. Just select USB port or HP printer port and just go to the next. Have a disk and go to the browse, and I just go to the desktop. On desktop I save the files. Okay, here, and just go to the any file that you like, just go to the any file. I go to the @run, you can go to the any file. Okay, and just here we find our problem. This driver is not digitally signed. Okay, we are going to solve this. Select this and just go to the next and next. Yes. Okay, here is our problem. Printer driver was not installed. Okay, we are not install this driver and problem. Okay, now we are going to solve this problem. Click on the OK and click on the cancel, click on the cancel. Okay, now just go to the start, just go to the start at here and just type Windows update. Just go to the Windows update settings, just go to the type Windows update setting, just click at here, and here just scroll down and here we find advanced option. Just go to the advanced option. Okay, at here scroll down and we find recovery. Just go to the recovery. In recovery we find advanced startup, and just go to the restart now. It's restart your PC. Then we go to the troubleshoot and just troubleshoot our problem, and then once again restart our machine and our problem is solved. So just go to the restart now and just go to the restart now. Now our PC is restarting. Now our PC is restart. Just go to the troubleshoot area at here. Just click on troubleshoot. In troubleshoot, just go to the advanced option. Just go to the advanced option. Here we find startup setting. Just click on the startup settings. Okay, we are going to disable driver signature enforcement. Okay, just go to the restart. It's restart our machine and one option is appear and we are going to select that option. Just go to the restart. Okay, here we find startup setting. Here is the most IMP part is 7. disable driver signature enforcement. Okay, where we want to disable our driver signature enforcement. Okay, and when we upload or install our printer, then we just restart our machine, then all settings are back to normal. So don't worry about this. Okay, now just press 7 number or 7 number key or 7 number on your PC. Now just log into your PC. Now once again we just go to the start and just type control panel. Just go to the control panel. In control panel, once again go to the devices and printers. Repeat the process. Add a printer. Just click on the printer that I want isn't listed. Just click at here. Just click at add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select that. Just click on the next. The most IMP part is port. Just select .4 _ 001 HP printer device, or if you not find that port, then just select USB 001, any port, USB port, USB 001, 002, 003, 004. Just select any USB port and just click on the next. Here just go to the have a disk, browse. Our drivers are on the desktop, so I just go to the desktop. Here is the my folder. Double click on it. Just select any file from @torrent to this. Okay, I select this. Click on the OK. Now I select any driver that I want. I select the first. You can select any driver. Just click on the next. I rename it with the my printer name. Okay, and I just go to the next. Click on the yes. It's asked some permission. Okay, the main permission is here. Don't install this driver software. Okay, and the second is install this driver software anyway. We just go to the install this driver software anyway. Okay, click at here. Once again, the pop-up box, install the driver software anyway. We are going to click at here, second option, and now our drivers are installed in few seconds. Okay, if you want to print a test page, then click on the printer test page. Our drivers are installed, finish, and we just go to the here, and here is our HP Color LaserJet Pro M154a printer. Okay, now the last option is just go to the start and restart your machine. Just go to start, and just restart your machine, and your all settings are go to the normal. So guys, this is the simplest way to install this printer on Windows 11 operating system. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you guys.